Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am just going to be showing you guys what I have been doing to my hair. I have been wearing it lately in this little curly style. This is kind of one of the hairstyles that I've been going to lately. So I thought I would show you guys what I do at night and how it turns out in the morning. I'm using these clips and a little bit of the hair moisturizer to moisturize the hair, and then we'll go ahead and start the process.
Text every day, and still my feelings are so strong. How I miss your face. Let's have a toast for the lovers. We'll tumble round in the snow, and my heart's going boom, boom, boom. You're so beautiful. Can you feel it too? Girl, I won't let you go. When the sky comes alive, let's have a jolly
So I'm going to start off by pin curling the two side parts of my hair going towards the back. So I'm going to take this section right here, and I'm going to twirl that around my fingers until I get close to the base of my hair, and then I'm going to pin it with a clip, and then I'm going to do the same on the other side of my hair for that top section, and then the other pieces of hair I'm just going to pin curl those down and then twist it around to secure it in place.
Just wanna have a holiday, yeah, yeah. Let's have a jolly holiday. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They said, Saint Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They said, Saint Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. Frozen, neck is frozen, catch me rolling, I'm the chosen. Snow is falling, Elfie's calling, check my list twice, most of y'all done. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They say, Saint Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They said, Saint Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, and Vixen, Comet, Cupid, Donner, and Blitzen. No, I can't forget about the one with the red nose. When I fly high, my sleigh still stay 10 toes. Bring the beat, bring the cheese, put the lights up, 'tis the season. Need no Grinch types, no Ebenezer. Don't believe this, y'all need Jesus. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They said, Saint Nick, what you got got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag. I got racks in my sack or in my bag. Merry Christmas, everybody.
Okay, so we are about to finish up adding the last clip in, and I believe I did about 8 or so pin curls in my hair. So I'm just going to add a little bit of moisturizer to my edges, and I'm going to use my hair tie to tie down the edges, and then I am going to be adding my silk scarf around the rest of my hair just to tie it down so the hair will stay in place. And I will be back to show y'all how my hair turns out tomorrow. So this is the next day, and I am getting ready to take out my pin curls to show you guys how my hair turned out. I did add a little bit of blush to my cheeks, and I filled in my eyebrows just a little bit because I did have a meeting that I needed to be on camera for this day. So I wanted to be a little bit more put together for that. So stay tuned for how my hair turns out. So I'm going to be using this Murray's Edge Wax Extreme Hold. It's a premium gel with 100% Australian wax. I do like this one a lot better than the ones I've had in the past because, like I said, it's like a wax or it's not like a grease, but it's like I said, it's like a wax, and I feel like it does my edges pretty good. This is my first time actually trying this product out. I purchased it from Dollar General, and I think this is probably a better edge tamer for my hair than using the actual gel because it holds the hair but it doesn't make it crunchy or hard, so my edges don't get flaky. I do have a pretty flaky scalp, so anything that gives me that hold without adding flakes or anything like that is what I'm going to be leaning towards.
See it in your eyes, so it's true. I'm so glad you feel it too. Nothing to hide, falling in love. To me, it's perfectly clear. We're falling in love. It's true, this part of the year has something.
So I'm going to be adding just just a little bit more hair moisturizer to my hair, just to keep it moisturized. It is colder now, so my hair does like to have a little bit more moisture in the winter time than it does in the summer or the springtime. So I'm gonna add that, finish styling, and I'll be back to show you guys how my hair turned out.
To me, it's perfectly clear we're falling in love. It's true, this part of the year has something in store for us. We're falling in love. Hey! Take. Walking around, you and me. Christmas time's got the best of me. Then it starts to snow in our hearts. We both know that we're falling in love. To me, it's perfectly clear we're falling in love. It's true, this part of the year has something in store for us. We're falling in love. We're falling in love. No, it's the time of the year when something's in store for us. 'Cause we're falling in love.
So this is how my hair turned out. I am just about ready for my meeting, so I am adding my little blue light glasses, and this is how it is looking. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you aren't subscribed, please consider doing so. If you're already subscribed, thank you for the support, and I will see you guys in my next video.
In Christmas time.